Just imagine, by using your mobile phone, you can make $5 every day without spending even a single dollar. If you use Android or iOS, you can make money every day. In this video, I'm going to show you app that will pay you $5 by using your mobile phone for your normal use. But stay close with me until the end of this video. I am going to show the bonus app that will help you to maximize your result. This is Good Chance Investor channel. Consider to subscribe. Once I upload a new money video, you'll get notified and be able to make things up. Let's get started. This app can give you an extra money and you should not consider as a replacement for full-time gig. You can get paid through PayPal or bank transfer. So for the first time you want to do this, you are supposed to open an account, either PayPal account or online banking account. You can go to PayPal, browse, go to web browser, just type create PayPal account, or just type the word PayPal and open account. For this case, in order to get paid money, you're supposed to open a business account in PayPal. As you can see, personal, for people who want to pay online. For this case of get paid in this app, you are supposed to go to open a business. As you can see, for people in business who want to receive payment. So just go and sign up for a business account, fill all necessary information. After doing so, you can be able to use your PayPal account as a payment method where you're going to. If you can't get a PayPal account, you can go for online and just type in your browser, open online banking account in my country. And for example, for this case, I took Stanbic Bank, because this app will pay you either through bank transfer or through PayPal. So you're supposed to open account. So let's go to see this app. This app is called Moocash, and the website is getmoocash.com. As you can see, this app is available for Play Store and App Store. For user of Android and the user of iOS, they can get access for this app and install it for your mobile phone. After doing so, you just keep relax doing other things you do in your smartphone. Necessary information you're doing, you can continue with them. If you have no any necessary task to do, you can just browse it and you just get paid $5. If you have more than one device, you can make more money. It's just you need one device, you get paid $5 per day. If you have 5 devices, you can make $25 per day. And you can see their minimum get payer, you'll get paid out after reach a minimum of either $2 or $5. It depends where you make money from and what type of reward you choose. As you can see, the minimum of $2 to $5, you can cash out your earnings. And you can come to this site. As you can see here, they pay through PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and bank transfer, as I showed you before. So it provides 24/7 day support, 24 hours 7 days support. Many reward method, as you can see, there is a coin cash, as I told you, there is redeem coin for cash, redeem for mobile recharge, take free. So you can choose the cash as a gift card or reward as for. You'll find many tasks to do there. So as you can see, just tap or swipe your mobile phone and get paid this $5. And this website is safe and there is no scam here. You get paid real money and you don't hesitate to doing so. And as I told you, I'll show you a bonus app that will help you to maximize the result. So another app we're going to use and get paid money that is called the cash magnet. As you can see, you can get paid as you see the points. The more pointy, the more money you make, and you see it's just simple. You just need to sign up, put your email address, your password, sign up, and this is available for Android. No iOS user can access this cash magnet. So it's a website called cashmagnetapp.com, and the web interface look like this. And this app, you are supposed to install it in your Android smartphone and sign up. If you have more time, you can do other tasks and get paid more money, but you can just swipe and tap on your mobile and get paid. And the same apply to this one, cash magnet. You don't need to do anything. You can just tap and swipe or you can just to do other things. As you can see, you can continue other tasks, you can sleep, you can just read your newspaper, or you just continue to eat, and the money will come to your phone for free without doing anything. As you can see, you can get paid through PayPal, Amazon. There is one question here. I guess you can ask yourself, how much minimum redeem? As you can see, after reach a minimum payout, payment go from $1 payment. If you reach a minimum of $1, you get paid this money, and easy to get paid. So as you can see, it is simple. $1 is easy. But for this case, you can just accumulate it to grow to bigger as much as you see, $100. So thank you for watching my video, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you have any concern, just leave a comment below. Thank you. See you next video.